you walk along the road. You dash water, you drink water. Today we are going to see adverbs. What are adverbs? Adverbs are also describing words like adjective, but here adverbs describe actions, that is, the verbs. They give us more information about the action or the verb. Adverbs modify the verb, they tell you more about it. For example, Wahida ran fast. Here, Wahida ran itself is a complete sentence. You can understand what did Wahida do. But when the word fast is added, it gives you more idea. Like how did she run? She ran fast. So when you ask the question how to the verb, how Wahida ran fast, that is an adverb. Ravi went now. Now ask the question when to the went. When Ravi go? Ravi went now. All right. So the word now tells you more about Ravi's going. So that is an adverb. Please come here. So here you ask the question where. Please come here. Come where? Come here. So the word here gives you more understanding about the verb come. Let us do these sentences. Circle the adverbs in the following sentences. Listen carefully. The waiter patiently took our orders. Now here, which is the action word? Took. The waiter took our orders. How did he take? He took patiently. So, patiently is the adverb in this sentence. Now look at the next sentence. We have to stand there. All right. Now ask what is the verb here? Stand. Where to stand? There. So you ask the question where to the verb stand and you get the answer there. So there is the adverb. Look at the next sentence. The cat swiftly caught the mouse. Now, what is the action here? Caught. That is verb. Caught is the verb. Now, ask this question. How the cat caught? The cat caught swiftly. How did he catch? Swiftly. Read the next sentence. Put the pot beneath the kettle. Now, what is the action here? Put. So, where to put? Beneath the kettle. So, beneath the kettle is the adverb. Next question. Jerry rides his bicycle well. Now, what is the action here? Verb rides. How does Jerry ride? Jerry rides his bicycle well. Click at the next sentence. The show will begin later. Which is the verb? Will begin. Now here you see the will is a helping verb. Will begin. When will the show begin? Later. So that's the adverb. Felicia arrived late at the party. Now when did Felicia arrive? Late at the party. Look at the last sentence. Jamshed lives near the school. What is the action here? Verb lives. Now, where does Jamshed live? Near the school. So, children, these are adverbs, words that tell you more about the verb. There are 5 kinds of adverbs. We are going to learn 3 of them. That is adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Let us see them in detail. Fill in the blanks with how, when, and where. First one, do you know dash the pencils are in the cupboard? Now, here cupboard is a place. So, what question will you ask? Where? Do you know where the pencils are in the cupboard? Now, I used to play football dash I was young. This is talking about long time back. So it is talking about time. So what question should you ask? I used to play football when I was young. Now next question. Dash does the next train leave the station? It is talking about time when the next train will leave the station. So what question will you ask? When does the next train leave the station? Now, dash old are you? What is it asking? It is asking something about your age. So, a personality, a manner. So, you ask the question, how old are you? Next sentence, Rohit didn't know dash to make a parachute. So, here, what question will you ask? Rohit didn't know to make the parachute. It is not talking about time, it is not talking about place. So it has to be how to make a parachute. So when you ask these questions, how, when, and where, to the verb, you get an answer. That will tell you that word is the adverb. If it is answering the question where, then it is adverb of place. If it answers you the question when, it is adverb of time. And if it answers your question how, then it is adverb of manner. Now let us see what is adverb of manner means. Adverb of manner tells you how an action was or is done. Okay, how, it tells you how, that manner, the pattern or the type. Uma yawned sleepily. So you ask the question, which is the verb yawned. So you ask the question, how to yawn? How? Yawned how? Sleepily. So that is the adverb of manner. Look at the next sentence. The tortoise moved slowly. Now ask the question, how to moved. How moved or moved how? Moved slowly. Read the next sentence. Rohan ate quickly. Now, which is the verb ate? Ate how? How Rohan ate? He ate quickly. So, this tells you the adverb of manner. How? When you get an answer for the question how, that word is adverb of manner. Look at these sentences. Luke spoke softly. How? Luke spoke how? Softly. So that is the adverb of manner. Read the next sentence. Kevin drives slowly. Kevin drives how? Slowly. Father shouted angrily. How father shouted? Angrily. Everyone dressed beautifully. How everyone dressed? Beautifully. The king and queen lived happily. How? Happily. Understood, children? So, when you get the answer for how, that word is adverb of manner. Let us see adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us when an action was or is done. Adverb of manner taught you how the action took place. Here, when the action takes place. Let us read the first sentence. We reached school early. Reached when? Early. So that word is adverb of time because it answers the question when to the verb. Read the next one. Yesterday was the coldest day of the year. When was the coldest day? Yesterday. So that is adverb of time. I have heard this before. Have heard when? Before. So these are the words which tells you adverb of time. Early, late, today, yesterday, before, after, soon, later. All these words tells you of adverb of time. It answers the question when. Let us do these sentences. Beena will be here soon. So ask the question when. When will Beena be here? Soon. Read the next sentence. I may call you tomorrow. When? You may call tomorrow. Third sentence. Salim never tells lies. When Salim tells lies? Never. Is that clear? So Salim never tells lies. So that tells you the time. Do this homework later. When do this homework? Later. Bring my book now. Bring my book when? Now. So these words soon, tomorrow, later, never, now, all these words tells you the time when the action takes place. So that is adverb of time. Now let us see adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. Manner tells you how. Time tells you when. And place tells you where the action is taking place. So if you ask the question where to the verb, then you will get an answer, and that word is the adverb of place. Look at this sentence. He threw the garbage outside. What is the action here? Threw. So ask the question where to that verb. Through where? Outside. My aunt lives upstairs. Lives where? Upstairs. Come here. Come is the verb. Ask the question. Come where? here. So, when a word gives you the answer for where, that is a verb. When you ask the question where to verb and it answers you, that is adverb of place. Let us do these sentences. The birds flew above the roof. Now, first look for the verb. Which is the verb? What did the birds do? Flew. Now ask the question, where? Where the birds flew? Above the roof. So the word above is the adverb of place. Read the next sentence. There is a temple nearby my house. Now, which is the verb here? Is. Remember that. Now, you don't look for words which will be like talking, walking, and all. Is also a verb. It's a helping verb. There is a temple. So, is means it is there. So, ask the question to that verb. Where is? Nearby. Okay, nearby my house. Read the next sentence. Roma hung buntings everywhere. Now ask what is the verb action here? Hung. Ask the question, where did she hang? Everywhere. Understood? So that is the answer and that is the adverb. Read the next sentence. Tony stood behind Shama. Now what action here? Stood. Now stood where? Behind Shama. That is the adverb of place. Read the next sentence. The principal walked towards the staff room. Which is the action here? Walked. So ask the question. Walked where? Towards the staff room. Towards the staff room. So the word towards is the adverb of place. Now let us fill in the blanks with adverbs from the box. First sentence. First read all the words in the box. Under, far, gracefully, nowhere, politely, before. Now do the sentence. First sentence. I know him, dash, he became famous. So it is talking about some time. So which is the time words here? Before. When? Before. So add the word before. He became famous. Second sentence. The blue truck was dash in sight. It is talking about place. The truck is not anywhere in sight. So ask the question. Where? Nowhere. In sight. The little boy answered dash. So it is talking about some manner. So ask the question why? How? Sorry. The little boy answered how? Politely. Next one, Rekha dances. It is talking about the manner of a dance. So you have to ask the question how? Rekha dances how? Gracefully. Next sentence, the Shindes have shifted dash from Nashik. So this is talking about a place. So ask question where? Where have they shifted? Far from Nashik. Next sentence, keep your raincoat dash the shelf. It is talking about place. So you have to ask the question where? Where to keep the raincoat? Under the shelf. So children, so here you can see you have answered time, manner and place. adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, all have come here in this sentence. Before is adverb of time. Nowhere is adverb of place. Politely is adverb of manner. Gracefully is adverb of manner. Far is adverb of place. Under is adverb of place. Now, put the adverbs under the correct heading. Adverb of manner is given, adverb of place is given, adverb of time is given. Look at the table below. It has got 3 columns. You have to pick out the words, pick out the adverbs and put them according to manner, place and time. Let's read the first sentence. Jayant swims early in the morning. What does Jayant do? Swims. So what it is talking about? Time. In the morning it is saying. So it is time. So ask the question when. When Jayant swims? Early. So early is adverb of time. Gauri can speak Marathi fluently. Now, it is talking about her way of speaking. So, way means manner. Manner means what question will you ask? How? How Gauri can speak fluently. So, it is adverb of manner. Let's spend the whole day indoors. Read the sentence again. Let's spend the whole day indoors. Which is the verb spend. It is talking about staying in some place. So it is where. The question is where. Spend the time where, whole day where? Indoors. So it is the adverb of place. Please come back. So here it is verb is come. Come where? Adverb of place, that is back. Come back. Back is adverb of place. Sharon answered my call immediately. Now, what is the verb? Answered. Answered how? Answered my call how? Immediately. That is the adverb of time. So, immediately. Okay. The conductor spoke rudely to me. Now, what did the conductor do? Spoke. How did he speak? Rudely. So, that is adverb of manner. So, children, please go through these sentences again and again and understand adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time. You will get your assignment separately. Copy that down in your notebook. Thank you.